Chanel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Variahair, and today, you guys, we have a very beautiful wig sent from a brand new company that I actually have never worked with before, but let's just get back to sending Variahair very good wigs. If you know, you know. If you've seen, you've seen. But this one was sent from Varia Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this very beautiful wig unit. I'm showing you guys the inside of this cap construction. As you guys could see, this is kind of like a 360 wig. It has removable combs and the removable adjustable strap, and it has the Invisi straps as well. So as you can see here, I'm removing those combs. And if you guys wanted to know the specs, this wig came in a 26-inch in a 200% density. And again, this is a 360 Invisi strap wig unit. So let's just go ahead and get into the wig. You have to be careful where you cut, or you will cut into those rubber bands. Oh, well, that lays beautifully like that. Now, you guys are going to see me lift up this little piece here so that you can see exactly where it is that I cut into this wig unit, because this is a 360 wig, and you have to be careful, you guys, because if you don't pay attention, you can easily cut into those Invisi straps. Now, when it comes to the Invisi strap wig units, I'm not a person who wears her wigs in an updo. I always wear them, you know, straight down or whatever. However, you are able to do updos with this wig unit because that is how the wig cap is constructed, for you to be able to wear your hair however it is that you want, and make it look as natural as you want as well. So I did remove all of the combs except for the one in the back, and I did remove the adjustable strap because this is a frontal. You don't really need anything pulling on the, pretty much like the lace frontal part, so I always take it out when I'm dealing with lace frontals. However, you do need that back comb so that it could, you know, secure in the back and your wig isn't moving as you're applying your wig. So that's what it looks like underneath, you guys. And also, if you want to know the inside of like my natural hair, pretty much I have it in a very scruffy low ball. Okay, I didn't even try. So anyways, let's get back to this wig unit. As you guys could see, I did use my adhesive spray. I have ran out of my Ghost Bond glue. You guys know usually I would use my Ghost Bond glue, but I have ran out, and hair companies haven't really been sending me wigs where I'm able to really get into gluing on my wig unit. They're sending more of the wigs where, you know, they're like kind of put on and go. So this one is very much put on and go. You can definitely use your adhesive spray. If you want to use tapes, you can do that as well. The sizing is a medium wig cap, which is like average. I always get my wig caps in average sizes, you guys. I also have my hair in a low ball, so of course it's filling out the wig. When it says a quality wig, you guys, this is very much a quality wig. Like, I feel like I haven't been receiving pretty good wig units, but when it comes to like a pre-done wig, this one is really good. So if you've been watching my YouTube channel as of recently, like, these hair companies have been like losing the plot. However, this hair company, I decided to work with them because they had really good offers, you guys, and I just love that crystal clear lace. I just love it, you guys. It's HD lace. It's already pre-bleached and pre-plucked for you, so you actually don't have to do any work. I definitely didn't have to do anything. Of course, because I am of a deeper skin tone, I always go in with my foundation up under the lace to make sure that it blends in with my skin tone. But beautiful wig, very well constructed. The pre-styling that is done on this wig unit, they definitely did a good job on it because it's supposed to mimic like spiral curls or wand curls. Now, this is a 26-inch wig, okay? However, because it's so curly and coily, it's definitely going to take away from the length, but very beautiful full density wig. 200% density. You guys know, if you know, you know, I love a good full wig unit. And I do want to talk about the technique that I am doing here with this wig to pull out the curls, because they are very, very uniformed, right? So what I'm doing is pretty much rubbing the hair. That's all I'm doing. I'm rubbing it and stretching it. That's it. And then you're pretty much going to see me take my, right here. I'm taking my comb, my Y2 comb, and really just fluffing it out at the roots. As you can see, I'm not bringing it all the way down because I want to make sure that I keep that uniform look and spiral curls to this wig unit. When I say very beautiful wig unit, you guys, the hair quality is amazing, nice shine. And again, I don't have to go in and pluck this wig unit. I don't have to go in and bleach the knots. All I really had to do was spray my wig unit down and make it look really pretty. And that's pretty much it. Like, I didn't really do anything. I didn't even use any like shining spray or mist or anything. So if you guys are looking for really good wig units on my channel, check out Varia Hair, you guys, because they have beautiful wigs. Now I would have to say that this wig unit did have to be made, so it did take about 2 weeks or so for me to receive this wig unit. 2 to 3 weeks for me to actually receive this wig. So it was very much well worth the wait. I couldn't wait to review this wig unit for you guys. Very beautiful wig. Like, when I say quality, it's like one of the best wigs that I've been reviewing as of lately. I hope that I am actually able to get my hands on more of Varia Hair's wigs, because I really do like it and I need to review more wigs like this. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this hair video. Let me know what you guys think down below. 10 out of 10 on the wig, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I